Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you step by step how to crochet the linen stitch, also called mesh stitch, using the single crochet. The stitch is light and perfect for projects like scarves, shawls, hats and summer tops. For linen stitch, we will use just two stitches, the chain and the single crochet, simple and perfect for beginners. For this tutorial, you will need some yarn and a crochet hook that matches your yarn. Start by making a foundation chain with even number of stitches. Start by making a single crochet in the second chain from hook. Chain 1, skip next chain and single crochet into the next chain. Chain 1, skip the chain and a single crochet in next chain. Chain 1, skip one chain and a chain and single crochet into the next chain. Repeat this pattern across the row when you will finish with a single crochet in the last chain. At the end, we've got two chains left, skip one and a single crochet in the last chain. Now chain one and turn the work. Now we are going to work in every chain one from previous row. So make a single crochet into the chain one from previous row. Chain 1, skip the single crochet and a single crochet into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, skip the stitch, single crochet into the next chain space and repeat across the row. Here at the end, we've got last chain 1 space, make a single crochet, chain 1, and make a single crochet into the chain stitch from previous row. And again. Chain 1, turn work, skip the stitch and single crochet into the chain 1 space. Chain 1, keep repeating this row until your piece reaches the desired length. It's an easy stitch that creates an open, breathable fabric with a lovely grid-like look. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my channel for next tutorial where I will show you how to start crocheting shawl using linen stitch. Happy crocheting!